furikake snack mix. Hey Rachel, Potash Twins here, and today is all about road trip snacks. The first thing we're going to do is add all of our snack mix ingredients to one big bowl. Corn cereal, 4 cups of our rice cereal,
1 cup of our corn cornucopia,
1 cup of our macadamia nuts, 1 cup of our honeycomb cereal,
1 cup of our wasabi peas,
and 1 cup of our favorite sesame sticks. The next step is we're going to make our sauce that's going to coat all of our ingredients. Half a cup of salted butter,
Then our vegetable oil,
2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of syrup,
and our onion powder and garlic powder. And we're going to give that a stir until everything's well incorporated and our butter is fully melted.
and now that our sauce is mixed, we're going to add it to our dry ingredients.
and we're going to give it a mix until everything is evenly coated.
We're going to add our furikake, which is the star of the snack mix, to our ingredients here.
About half a cup or more.
We like a lot in there. It's the star of the show. And if you've never tried furikake before, it's salty, it's sweet, it tastes like, people say umami, but it's earthy.
And now that everything's well incorporated, we're going to add it to our sheet pan. And then we're going to pop it in the oven at 250 degrees for 1 hour.
Now that our snack mix is done, we're going to let it cool for 10 minutes.
Let's dig in.
This is perfect for a Sunday road trip or really any day of the week. And if you're driving, I'm going to be eating.